Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. How have you been? So, in this part, we'll be talking about how to create a well written CV like a professional type. So, this is the app, this one with black and white. So, open it. So, this is what you do, this is what we open for you. Then you can start by creating resume, create a resume. Okay, so you start by adding your basic details. So this is your basic details. Okay, I was working on this before. Okay, so let's proceed now. The full name, the address 1, address 2, and email, then your phone number. So if possible you have 2 addresses, then you save that, click on your personal info, date of birth, so the marital status, the known languages, the nationality. This passport is not really necessary, but you can just click on save. Then educational background, accountancy, polytechnic, CGPE, yeah, 2.080, year of passing out 2017. So if you have any other qualification, you can just add it here. So you save your working experience. Here you put your working experience, like designation, the date you joined. Let's say you joined the organization you worked by. Okay, it's not coming up, sorry. So you had it by yourself. You put the date you worked, the date you worked on, the field you work. You save. Oh, okay. The date you worked. Let's say 0506 0506 to 0506. That's June 5 to um that's 0509. So that's duration of 3 months in the same year. Then you click on save. So having saved that, you click on project. This is project. It is talking about maybe the works you've done, the project you've done that you've executed. But if they're in the absence of none, you just need to pack it. Technical skills, as if there's any skill you learn, like professional, like handwork that you can just simply add it. Your interest, like maybe you're interested in football, interested in any sporting activities or other things you like to learn, so you had it and you always click on save. Industrial exposure, this part, like you know about so many other industrial skills, so here is where you can add it. Then achievement and award, if you've had any achievement before, like you've been awarded some gifts or an award in any places, like maybe any organization you've worked, or for one reason or the other you've got an award, so you don't have to just tap it and edit it and save it there. So activities, here is activities you do, what you love doing, that's what is here. Then strength and your hobby, what you love. So this person I was working for, the person's strength is seeing every opportunity as a way to achieve more. Then meeting new people and listening to music is a person's hobby. So objective declaration, objective, like what your aims and objective for working at that company is what this part means. So when you click on see objective there, these are like draft format of the ones you can use. So these are formats for what you can use. Okay, so the date you want to, and declarations. Then here we have references. So here references, we all know the meaning of references. People that you can trust, that they can trust, or that they can quickly call on in case of if there's any misconduct. So I was the referee for this person, because the person is someone very close to me. So this is my details there. Then photos if necessary. If you really like to add your photos in your CV, you can add it. But if it is not necessary, if you're not interested, so you might not put it, then with your signature. So you click on generate resume. So there are different ones, there are different templates, there are formats. So these are formats you can use. It is traditional, classical, 2 columns, different ones. So there are different ones that you can use. Okay, so let's go with this number. Okay, let's go with number 10. So you preview it before you download. Okay, so you can choose your color here. Yeah, but this is preview. Okay, so this one is a very short one. So that's why there are different formats. So the format you choose is what will bring out for you. But this one is a short format. It is as well short because we didn't add the objective and other stuff like that. So if you can watch the video again, you see where we didn't add some things. That's why it is short. So that is how. So that is how to create a resume, also known as a CV. So thank you guys.